vibration of the new healed whole Mother Earth becomes stronger. As the fourth dimensional new healed whole Mother Earth takes place, replaces the third dimensional Earth, you will see a peeling away. Focusing on the peeling away can be detrimental. In the old Bible stories, they spoke about Lot's wife looking back and turning into a pillar of salt because she looked back over her shoulder at the burning city of Sodom and Gomorrah. There is a message, a seed message in this myth, a seed message in this story, a seed message in this metaphor. Do not look at what is dying. Focus on the light. If you look at what is dying, you bind yourself to the earth, the block of salt, the salt of the earth, the salt aspect of the physical form. You bind yourself to pure physicality, and as you watch physicality fall apart, you feel the desperation within yourself and align with that death. It is time to align with the new energy and the new birth. As you turn to the new and move forward to the new cities of light, as you turn and move forward to the golden age, you shed the old skin of the past. It becomes the fertilizer for what is new and what is growing. The challenge is living in both worlds. You are still of both worlds. You are of spirit and you are on the earth. You are of the earth and you are in spirit. Balancing is key. Learning to balance in this reality. You are realizing a new reality, a golden age. Holding the balance is challenging. I have come, Gayatri, I have come, new healed whole Mother Earth, new healed whole Mother Earth, new healed whole Mother Earth, new N, healed H, whole W, Mother M, Earth E, new healed whole Mother Earth. That vibration, you can write the whole thing out or simply the initials N, H, W, M, E. And you will find a little treasure in that anagram for you, for each one of you. The new healed whole Mother Earth is there for you. I am there for you. I am helping you balance. And so you need your practices to balance. The practices that keep you shedding stress, that keep you shedding the parts of yourself that are not of the light, that keep you in the old fear-based reality. I say this to you. You have moved into your Buddha natures. You are now trying to hold those Buddha natures in this dimensional world because you have come not to leave it, not to ascend in the old way, but to ascend in the now way. Ascending in the old way meant leaving the body, casting aside those things that brought heaviness, that brought pain, that brought sorrow. Now you come into the world and you bring the light into the third dimensional energy and you change it. You shed off what doesn't work and it renews you, it feeds you, it becomes the fertilizer in your transmutation. I am the new healed whole Mother Earth. I am with you. By connecting with me, you are moving through this reality into your awakening with comfort and ease, with greater comfort and ease.